Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Special attention, be patient for at least 20 seconds of this video clip, and you will surely find what you are looking for. Alexandru is my name, and in this video clip we will discuss about all about the crocodile family. Crocodiles, subfamily Crocodile, or true crocodiles, are a subfamily of large aquatic reptiles that live in the tropics of Africa, Asia, North America, South America, and Australia. The body of the crocodile is covered with bony plates, and the circulatory system has retained some common characters with birds. Today's animals live on the shores of running water, or lakes in warm tropical or subtropical regions. Some species of crocodiles can still be found in the salt water of the seas around some islands. Crocodiles are good swimmers, and when hunting they stay hidden underwater up to the level of their eyes and nostrils. When the prey gets close enough, the crocodile attacks it in a flash, holding it underwater until it drowns, then devouring it. The largest crocodile ever kept in captivity is an estuarine Siamese hybrid named Tai meaning big, born the 10th of June 1972, at Samut Prakarn Crocodile Farm and Zoo, Thailand. This animal measured 6 m in length and weighed 1,114.27 kilograms. The longest crocodile ever captured alive is Lolong, which measured 6.17 m in length and weighed 1,075 kilograms. This crocodile was captured by a team from National Geographic in Agusan del Sur Province, Philippines. Characteristics: alligator, different crocodile skulls, geographical distribution of crocodiles. The body shape of today's crocodiles is adapted to the environment in which they live. Thus the body is flattened dorsoventrally, and ends with a wide and muscular tail that helps in swimming or as a rudder. The mouth is wide, provided with a strong conical dentition. Crocodiles have a body length, depending on the species, between 1.20 and 7 m long. Fossils of crocodiles that were 12 m long have been found through excavations. These animals grow all their lives, but with age the growth process becomes slower, so that old crocodiles grow only a few centimeters per year. The skull of crocodiles is elongated. The eyes during evolution came to be located dorsally, and at the tip of the snout there are wide oval nostrils, which are connected to the pharynx so that the animal can breathe without problems even with a full mouth. Crocodiles' snouts vary in length depending on how they feed. Thus the gharial, Gavialis gangeticus, which feeds only on fish, has an elongated and thin snout. The size of crocodiles varies considerably from species to species. Species of the genus Ostolaemus have adults of only 1.5–1.9 meters, while Crocodilus persis can reach up to 7 meters in length and a weight of 1,000 kilograms. A few other species grow up to 5.2 meters in length and up to 900 kilograms in weight. Crocodiles exhibit pronounced sexual dimorphism, with males growing much larger and faster than females. Despite their large size, crocodiles are born very small, having about 20 centimeters in length. Nostrils and ear holes close in water. Sight helps crocodiles find food. The mouth is wide, and on the jaws, there are conical, uneven teeth, fixed in cavities of the jaws called alveoli. The body is flattened dorsoventrally, covered with fleshy plates, doubled by bony plates, not welded together in the dorsal region. The tail is also laterally compressed. It has 5 free toes on the forelimbs, and 4 webbed toes on the hind limbs. They serve to move in water and on land. He goes ashore to rest. The crocodile feeds on aquatic and terrestrial animals. They also attack the people around them. Females lay eggs, protected by a membrane, in sand or in holes dug in the loose earth, guarding them until hatching. When the chicks hatch, the female comes and carries them in her mouth to the water where they are safer. She stays with them until they can take care of themselves, showing a strong maternal instinct. Taxonomy: currently, there are 14 species of crocodiles alive, the best known of which are the freshwater crocodile, the saltwater crocodile and the Nile crocodile. Subfamily Crocodile. Genus Crocodilus, Crocodilus acutus, Crocodilus cataphractus. Studies in DNA and morphology suggest this species may be more basal than Crocodilus, so it belongs in its own genus, Mechistops. Crocodilus intermedius, Crocodilus johnsoni, Crocodilus mindorensis, Crocodilus morladi, Crocodilus niloticus, Crocodilus novaeguinea, Crocodilus palustris, Crocodilus persis, Crocodilus rhombifera, Crocodilus siamensis, Crocodilus suchus. Genus Ostolaemus, Ostolaemus tetraspis. There is some controversy here that there are actually 2 more species. Recent 2010 DNA analyses indicated 3 distinct species, O. tetraspis, O. osborni, and a third, as yet unnamed. Genus Eutecodon, kind Rima suchus, formerly Crocodilus lloydii. Genus Voe brocu, 2007, formerly Crocodilus robustus. If you got here to the end of the video I presented on my YouTube channel, at Alexandru, thank you for watching the video. I hope it was useful. and I hope it helped you in some way. If you liked this video clip, I would be happy if you like a share and subscribe to this channel. Only good regards, Alexandru YouTube channel creator.